Assalamu alaikum. Grade 3, this is the summary video for today lesson. Subject Science, Learner Book, Class 3, Unit 1, Looking After Plants. Lesson 1, Plants and Their Parts. Learner Book, page number 7. From your Learner Book, page number 7. And today your homework, Activity Book, page number 7. You have two science book, Learner Book and Activity Book. Learner book I'm teaching, and activity book for homework. Okay, so from your activity book, page number 7. So what's the learning objective for today? Healthy plant, unhealthy plant. You learn in the class healthy plants and unhealthy plants, and at the end we done exercise. First of all, healthy plants. Healthy plants have healthy roots, stems and leaves. Healthy plants have healthy roots, stem and leaf. Like this one, you can see the leaves are green, dark green. Okay, so it's belong to a healthy plant. Healthy leaves, also healthy stem and roots. This one you can see healthy plant have dark green leaves and healthy roots and stem. This one stem and these are roots. Okay, it can separate easily because of good space. A plant with unhealthy roots, stems and leaves will not grow well. A plant with unhealthy roots, like this, if unhealthy roots, how a plant can grow? It can't grow well. Okay, and stem and leaves will not grow well. Unhealthy leaves. Okay, how? Unhealthy leaves with rust diseases. And rust disease, lack of water, or you can say lack of sunlight. Rust like this. Okay, if not getting water properly, so rust disease. And the change color of leaf, not more green, dark green. Okay, each leaf, so leaves change color into yellow, like this, and having rust on it. And also roots, if a lack of space and not getting properly nutrient or water and soil from soil, so unhealthy roots like this. One more example, healthy plant, this one, dark green almost. Okay, each part, stem, leaves and roots. Roots growing well. Okay, you can see it's going down and growing well because of good space. And unhealthy plant, little bit change into yellow color. Okay, because of rust, not getting proper water, nutrient. It's mean this is an unhealthy plant. Roots, you can see the roots not healthy. Okay, because of less space. An unhealthy plant because of less space, not proper place. If you're putting a plant in the home, and no there is no any kind of light, sunlight, or no, not giving properly water, and no any kind of air, so the plant will not grow well. So like this. Okay, so we can say like this kind of unhealthy plant. Healthy plants have healthy roots like this. Okay, can properly, good place and good space. These roots getting down, okay, in the earth for search of water. If not enough space and not cannot get down. Okay, and at one place it's making rusty and not good. So healthy roots can get down for such a water, and these are all healthy roots. Okay, for different plants. Okay, healthy plants have healthy roots, stem and leaves. Stem like this, healthy stem. Okay, dark green. Okay, healthy stem, and also healthy leaves. like this. Okay, dark green color. So if you can see the difference between healthy and unhealthy, healthy plant almost green color, okay, dark green, and when change unhealthy, it's change the color. How? Unhealthy plants with unhealthy roots, stem and leaves will not grow. Plants with unhealthy roots, stem and leaves will not grow. Unhealthy roots, not diseases. Not diseases. I show you this one. These are all not diseases. Okay. If there are lack of spaces, so these problem coming. Okay. Root at one place jumble. Okay, roots cannot grow well, not going down, not can set the water. Okay, so at one place jumble like this. So that's why these roots are unhealthy. So poor growth. What's the reason? Lack of nutrient. Nutrient mean like from soil, taking water, sunlight. Lack of nutrient not take. So lack of nutrient can led to leaves becoming discolored. Change the color or discolor. No any kind of color, or just change into yellow from not green. Okay, not green. If green, healthy leaves, but to change the color, it's not more healthy. Lack of nutrient can lead to leaves becoming discolored and reduce photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means food process. We know in plant the food process in the photosynthesis happen in the leaves. So reduce photosynthesis because for the food process leaves need air, sunlight and water. If lack of water, lack of air, or I can't reduce sunlight, okay, it can't take sunlight, okay, so the leaves will not grow well and it's change color like this, uncolored, discolored. So unhealthy plant. So we can say these leaves are belong to unhealthy plant. Unhealthy leaves. One more example, like rusty. Rust. Look here on the leaves. Smallpox, rust. Okay. Unhealthy leaves with rust diseases. These are both example of unhealthy plant. It's belong to unhealthy plant, and this one also. So after this exercise from your learner book, science, page number 7. Question number 1, list 4 things that most plants have. Which 4 things every plant have, each plant have, sorry. So number 1, stem, leaves, flower and root. I will write here leaves, flower, stem and roots. Okay, these 4 parts of a plant. Okay, so each plant almost have these 4 things. These are the main 4 things each plant has. Okay, again, list 4 things that most plants have: leaves, flowers, stem and roots. Question number 2, describe how plants are different from each other. Describe how plants are different from each other. So the answer is each plant has its own characteristic. One plant, how different from other? So the answer, each plant has its own characteristic. That's why different from one plant to other, because of characteristic. Each plant have its own characteristic. And today vocabulary word: healthy, unhealthy, rust. Should be pronounced good. Healthy, unhealthy, rust. And today your homework activity book, page number 7, and revise your classwork. Okay boys, take care. Assalamu alaikum.